everyone, today is another food review. So Cecilia want to try Indonesian dessert. Different from previous video. Today I don't want to tell her what's in it. So
I will try to guess.
Yes.
It looks nice, yeah.
Yes.
It looks nice. Thank you.
Enjoy, try first.
Thank you.
You can mix. Okay.
Okay, can I mix?
Yes.
Oh wow, can see some. I don't. Oh my God, I don't know. They are beans, black beans. But I don't know the green.
Okay, try
What's
first.
that? Okay.
Okay.
So we should mix first, yeah? Smells nice. Okay. It's milk. Coconut milk.
Yes, coconut milk.
Coconut milk.
And
Just a moment. Peanut?
no,
No. Nut?
no.
No. What is it? I mean, it's.
Do you like it?
I do. I'm trying. Trying to figure out what that is.
This is mung bean, or some people call a green bean. Okay.
The green thing.
bean.
Okay.
Yeah, green thing. Okay. And kidney red bean. Okay. With coconut milk, with the cream, with the brown sugar. And then chocolate for the
brown
topping.
sugar.
Yes, brown sugar.
Okay,
Chocolate
okay.
on the top. That's it. Remember you told me you like bean?
Yeah.
And make a Brazilian food. Always with the bean, but
Yeah.
for meal.
For meal, yeah.
So today I want to surprise you.
Wow.
We make this bean
Amazing. I've never had beans
sweet like this.
as a dessert. Yeah.
Really?
No, but it looks it tastes nice. Yeah.
I offered people this dessert before. Everybody could not guess what is
It
that.
is difficult.
And when I said that is bean, they said bean for dessert.
Unusual.
Yeah, unusual. But soon they tried. Wow, it's lovely.
Yeah. It's really nice. Can I make a video?
Yeah, sure.
Well, because my friends will not believe. So this is the dessert. What's the name of this dessert?
You want English or Indonesian?
The Indonesian.
Bubur kacang hijau.
Oh wow! And how do we translate into?
Bubur kacang hijau dan kacang merah. So I always translate green bean, mung bean and red kidney bean.
Wow.
Yes.
Yeah, that's black beans, my friend. Feijão in Brazil. In a dessert. Look, and it tastes amazing. It really does. That's coconut milk, right? Chocolate.
For topping.
Yeah. I forgot.
Brown sugar.
Brown sugar. Yeah. How do I write?
Bubur.
This is the dessert.
U.
B-U.
Yeah, B-U. R.
Bubur.
Yeah. Kacang.
Another word.
Yeah. K.
K-A.
C. Yeah.
C.
A.
N.
and G. Bubur kacang hijau. H. I. J.
J.
Yeah.
L.
A.
U. Okay, U.
Yeah.
Okay,
Bubur kacang hijau.
Nice. What is the not the green, but what's the white, sort of white yellowish?
That is the green bean or mung bean.
Oh, okay.
Do you want to see how it look like in the?
Yeah. Is it a fruit? Is it
bean?
It's a bean, oh, of course. Yeah. It's a bean. Okay.
That's it.
All right.
You have to cook
Yes,
that. Yeah,
it's
you don't
boiled.
eat.
No, that's because hot.
Yeah.
So
it's
many.
hard, yeah.
Yes. So very nutritious.
Very nutritious. Yeah.
Right.
And you find here. You can find here in the UK.
yes, it's supermarket. You can find very easily.
It doesn't have to be a specialized.
No. In my country, they say if woman is pregnant, eat this dessert, bubur kacang, is good because nutritious.
Yeah. It's very
And also-
nutritious.
yes, and good also for feed the baby.
Mm-hmm.
But they said it's for grow baby hair. So
That's amazing. Yeah.
in fact, when baby born in Indonesia, a lot of hair. But in Western,
Yeah. Usually there's no
no,
hair.
usually, but in Indonesia, very hairy. How about in
Right.
your country?
No, I think in Brazil, yeah, it's usually they don't. They're not born with a lot of hair.
Really?
Yeah, just some
Little.
yeah. Very, very little. Yeah. Unless the parents are very hairy, you know, and like usually dark hair, then yes, but yeah. Very interesting. So, did you eat this dessert a lot when you were pregnant?
Yes.
You wanted your son very hairy, to be born very hairy.
But when my son born, half and half. I think it's because gene really.
Yeah.
That is just I mean, yeah. Do you prefer for meal or for dessert? The bean.
They have different tastes, I think. And let me try again. This bean
is suitable for dessert. I'm not sure if our bean would taste nice in this dessert, you know, because ours is a little bit different. I mean, it looks similar, but it's different from inside. You know, the inside is different. It's black inside, and this one is.
Is that also black?
It's also black. Yeah. So this one is kind of white. Yeah.
Yes. Do they sell in here?
Yes, I mean you need to go to you find in Caribbean part. You know, usually the Caribbean beans, they're kind of similar. Yeah.
In some country, mung bean normally they cook for a meal. It's like Indian food
Mung bean, this.
for meal.
Right. And how long do you have to cook it for to make it really soft? Yeah.
30 minutes.
30 minutes.
Do you wanna cook coffee?
Yeah, I think so. Yes, if it's okay. Are you going to drink coffee too?
I can drink coffee.
Yeah. Remember that. It's delicious. No, it's not too sweet. I like it.
You like it.
I like it. Yeah.
Do you cook sisila
No,
at home?
no, not often.
Yes, but sometimes you cook, right?
Sometimes, yeah. Sometimes I cook.
Yes.
Yeah.
What
When I'm in
kind-
the mood.
Yes. What kind of
Thank
the
you.
food? Normally?
Normally like rice.
Oh,
Yeah. Rice. Steak with onion. Not this steak that you cook more well prepared. What else? Simple, simple dishes.
How your PhD?
It's good, yes, it's good. I need to write a dissertation for September, so I still have time, but it's a lot.
Yes, can you imagine?
It's about 20,000 words. it's like a book. It's basically a book.
What is about the dissertation?
Yeah, I'm going to it's about videos, the use of not this type of video, but teachers, because my focus is on teacher education, like training teachers. So how teachers can develop their skills through watching themselves teach. So it's like they watch themselves in videos and what they can learn with watching themselves teaching. But I also like working with teachers, like training teachers.
We enjoy the dessert. And Cecilia drink coffee, and I think she is full.
I am, but happy.
But happy, yes.
But happy, yeah. Thank you so much for the lovely dessert.
My pleasure. So, maybe one day you try another food.
Yeah, absolutely. Yeah, would love to.
So, pemirsa di rumah, so I'm speak Indonesia again, but today to speak in English with Cecilia. So, I think easy for me if I talk English in camera, so I just translate Indonesian language. Okay, Cecilia? And Cecilia also can watch my video and easy to understand.
Yeah, yes, absolutely.
Please don't forget subscribe, comment and thumb. See you next time. Okay,
Bye-bye.
bye.